inches, across shoulder 14 inches, round bust 36 inches plus 2 inches ease. So for making the adult bodice block, we will take the length, that is 15 inches, and we will take the round measurement as 19 inches, that is half of a round bust of 38 inches. It will come out to be 19 inches. So let us start making this adult bodice block on the brown paper. So we'll take the length 15 inches, and then we will take the width as 19 inches. We'll mark it on the brown paper. We'll mark the line with the help of the scale. Then we will take the center of the 19 inches. We'll divide the width part into half by taking 9.5 inches into 2. Then we'll make a straight line in the center. Then we will divide the length accordingly into 2 parts. So we'll divide 15 into 7.5 inches. We'll make the points and mark the line. Then we will take the center of the upper block. We'll take the center of 7.5 as 3.75, sorry. So we'll make a line, and then we will divide the upper block again into 2 parts by taking 1.7 something and make a line. Then again we will divide it into 2 parts, the upper block, so that we will get the required length of the back neck. So we'll start with the back. So at the left side this is our back, at the right side this is our front. So you can mark it over back and front. So now we'll start with the back neck. For making the back neck, I will take 3 inches at the top and I will mark the curved area. Then we will take the half of across shoulder. Across shoulder was 14 inches. So I will take 7 inches in total and I will make a line till the center line. And then I will make a diagonal line on the intersecting portion. For making the armhole, I will mark these lines, join these lines with a curve for the back armhole curve. Then I will take the side seam area for back. For that I will take 1 inches and mark the diagonal line. So here I have completed my back. So I will start with my front. For making the front, I will take 3 inches for the front neck depth and the middle line for making the neck. Like this I will make the curve for making the front neck curve. Now we will take the marker line adjoining the front neck and back shoulder slope, and we will take the required area on the shoulder slope as 4 inches, as we have covered 3 inches in the neck. So total was 7 inches, and we have marked an intersecting line perpendicular to the diagonal line. So I will go half inches inside and mark a line and mark it with scale and draw curve for armhole. This will bit deeper than the back. Next I will make the side seam for front and I will mark this line as 1 inches inside. So now I have covered my front and back of my bodies. We are ready with the bodice block, adult bodice block. We'll mark the grain lines. Now we will start up with the darts. For making the darts, we have to take 10 inches from the upper neck point and the front, 10.5 inches. Now we'll take 1 inch circle over this point. So we'll take half of inches, 3 inches from center front and 10 inches from upper front. So we'll make a circle on this point at half inches radius and 1 inches diameter. Now we will mark the darts. So for making the darts, we will start with the armhole dart. At armhole we will take the deepest armhole point. We'll mark the center leg of the dart, and then we will mark dart legs as half inches apart to give the shape. These are the dart legs. We are making it with the help of the scale. For making the side seam dart, we'll take 5 inches below the armhole line at the side seam. We'll mark it over, and then we will move towards the center point which we have taken at the pivotal area for making the darts. We'll mark a line and we'll mark the dart legs apart from 0.75 inches from this line which we have drawn as to give the shape. Next we'll make the center front dart. So we'll draw the dart in front in a straight line, and we'll draw dart legs apart half inches from the center line. And now we are drawing the dart legs. So we have covered all the darts